Okay, I have been meaning to do this video since so long, but finally, I am here to do this video with you guys on my channel. Alright guys, hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I am Atri and I make videos related to beauty, fashion, makeup, everything good stuff. So if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing, you won't regret it. So yeah, that is about it. So let's start with today's video. So like I said in the starting, I have been meaning to do this video since so long, and finally the day has come when I have sat down and started to film this video. I am a little clumsy today, please ignore that. So I have got a few items from Sugar Cosmetics right here in the box. I have bought it from my own money, and I have a couple of few products with me. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try all those products with you guys, especially the sugar products. So there were some new launches, and I got them I think a month back, but I didn't get a chance to share a review with you guys. And on my YouTube channel, I think I haven't done any makeup videos. It's been long, so that's why I thought this is the perfect opportunity to do that. So introduction is so long today. So I have got a few products here and there. So the very first product is this one. This is the Sugar Aquaholic Hydrating Stick. Now I have thrown the outer packaging because it's been way too long. I have been carrying the outer packaging with me. So that's why I decided to chuck the outer packaging and yeah, just take this and try this. So if you don't know what is this is a moisturizer in the form of a uh, this roll on. So this looks so cute. So if you remember the roll-ons which we used to apply on our underarms, so it reminds me of that, but it is a completely new concept. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks blue in color and it smells like menthol. Yeah, so this is known to be a moisturizer for your face. Right now I don't have anything on my face, so that's why I decided to apply this. So this is very smooth, and this feels really good. And yeah, it doesn't feel anything on your face, so the moment you apply it, it gets absorbed in the skin. Oh my god, yeah, you can't see anything. So it's like you apply it like this, you don't even have to blend your face, you don't even have to use your fingers, just take this and apply it directly, and it is very good moisturizer for oily skin type. If you have oily skin type or combination skin type, you are going to love this one. Yes, it tingles a little bit because it has menthol in it, so that's the reason it tingles a little bit, but I don't have any problem with it. It gives me perfect hydration, and it is very good for my skin type. So let me show you the quantity which you get. So you get nice amount of quantity, I would say. Yeah, so you get this much of quantity, and the color is so pretty. So guys, prices and everything I'll mention on the screen or in the bottom box, so make sure to check that, okay? And now you have to, close it like this. You also get a separator if you want to separate this product like this. Yeah, so now this is a very interesting product because I don't think so in Indian market we have something similar to this. So I like the concept of this, and I really love the product as well. And there is my eyeshadow palette lying over there. Like I told you, I am a total mess today. Okay, so my face is feeling very hydrated. It feels really good. It also feels as if it has blurred out any kind of dry patches I had. Even though I am extremely oily skin type, but I do get dry patches. I don't know why around my this area. So yeah. Now the next thing which I'm going to use is this one. This is the Illuminating Moisturizer. So yeah, this is Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer, and it is in the shade Gold Digging. And I have heard so many good things about this moisturizer, guys. So yeah, let's try this on. I have tried it once or twice in my videos, you must have seen it. So let me squirt out a little. So this is how it looks like. It has this golden sheen to it. And you know what, I was really wondering if this is comparable to Mac Studio Fix. So yeah, let me just give you one more view of it. So this is how it looks like. This has a very good amount of hydration going on. So I like to apply it onto my, so it is a moisturizer. So you need to apply it like a stroke cream, okay? I'm sorry I'm using my front camera today, so can't help looking into the screen. You get it, right? It is such a good moisturizer, guys. So you see the glow on my face. Now earlier I didn't like it because I thought that it has chunky particles, but the more I started using it, the more I started liking it. So it does have some shimmer particle, you can see here and there, but those are really very negligible. As you can see, my face is glowing, and this is these are my hands. Now guys, if you ask me, it is comparable to Mac Studio like not Studio Fix, Mac Strobe Cream, I'll say no, it is not comparable to that, because Max that Strobe Cream is such a light texture and it does not have any glitter particles, but it does have a little bit of shimmer particles here and there, but you can't really see it. So I love the finish of this also. So if you want to see a comparison of MAC Stroke Cream and this one, let me know guys, I'll be more than happy to do that. Now I have done my eyebrows. Yeah, I think I have done it very roughly today. So foundation I did not have any new product, so I'm using this one. This is the found Ace of Face foundation. I am in the shade Breve. I have already done a review on this particular foundation. If you want to see an in-depth review, you can check it, but right now I'm going to apply this. I'm going to tell you my thoughts on this one. Now if you ask me, I am a fan of this product, okay, because it is really good. Let me blend this first. So if I'm applying this, I don't need any concealer or whatsoever, because it gives me super flawless finish. As you can see, love the shade range also, and this suits my skin tone really well. The only one thing which I don't like about this one is that it gives you smile lines and everything, so you need to set your face really quickly. So if you see, my face is looking super duper good and I really like the finish of it. Today I'm not going to use any concealer because I don't have any concealer. So you guys, can you see that glow on my face? It is all because of those two products which I used earlier. It's giving me a very very subtle glow and I'm really liking it. So I'm going to set my face really quickly. Okay guys, so now let's move on to the blush. So this is the Face Forward Sugar Face Forward blush stick. This is in the shade Mauve Marble. This is a mauvish shade, and again I have heard so many good things about this particular product. So I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks. Yeah, I have applied a little too much, but it is super duper blendable. I love using brush for this product. I know you guys would say that you should use your fingers, but guys, I have used my fingers and I couldn't blend it properly. So that's why I love using brush. It gives me really nice and flawless finish. Really pretty color. You see this color? Oh god, it is really pretty. So sugar products are they are expensive, no doubt. I think this is for 7.99. So it is expensive. I know that you can get much, like you can get good blushes below 500. So I don't know if you should spend your money on this or not. but yeah, this is what I feel. Alright guys, so I'm back. I have applied bronzer and I have applied a little too much today, you can see here. So I used this NYX matte bronzer today. It is so pigmented. Don't ever go heavy handed with this one because you will regret it later on. Now the next thing which I have is this one. This is the Sugar Wingman eyeliner. This is again a new launch. This is Wingman waterproof micro liner, and this is in the shade Albi Black. Now these products are made in Italy. Like this particular thing is made in Italy. So I'm guessing probably the other things also they have are not made in India, but this brand is owned by an Indian. Obviously, this is an Indian company. I want to say that. Now I'm applying a little bit of shadow, the Nika one, because I don't have any eyeshadow palette, eyeliner. So this is how it looks like. The tip is really micro fine, and you can draw however line you feel like. So I have heard so many good things about Sugar eyeliners, and I love I Want You So. I love that eyeliner. Let me tell you some things about this particular eyeliner. It is smooth, no doubt in it. It is very very smooth when I was applying it. But I feel that I really don't like these type of eyeliners. I don't like pen type of eyeliners. I really like my liquid eyeliner. Love the K Beauty one. Even I Want You So in the same sugar range. I love that also. So this is something I can skip. Don't get me wrong, the quality and everything is good, but it's my personal preference. I don't feel like, you know, taking care of each and everything when I am applying this one. If you're a beginner, you can go and pick this up, which I got free with all these. Now this is a new shade of Sugar Metal Matte lipstick. I have already reviewed it. If you want, you can go and check the review on this one. This is in the shade Polaris, and I was so excited that I'm getting this particular lipstick free. So I'm going to apply this one only. Only the wand is different of this particular lipstick, because I also have Mimosa with me, and the wand is not like this. It's a pretty nice pink color. If you can see, it looks too good. Like I'll rate it 10 out of 10, because colors like this look amazing on my skin tone. So I'll be back in. Alright guys, this is what my makeup looks like. I am really happy with the way it has turned out. So Sugar products are one of the best products available in India. I really like its quality. Even I think this particular brand is comparable to the international brands, high-end brands, because I feel there are a few products which are really really good. Now let's talk about all the product, which one you should get, which one you shouldn't. So guys, regarding this one, this is the Aquaholic hydrating stick. I feel that this you can buy if you have oily skin type, because you know it has helped me a lot. It calms my skin down, so it is a must buy for oily skin people. I know you will say that what is the use of this one, we have so many moisturizers, but then guys, this is very very different from your regular moisturizer. So I'm sure you are going to love this. Now regarding this one, this is the illuminating moisturizer. Now this is, I'll say 99% yes, because it does give your face a bling, not a bling, I'll say does give your face a glow sort of from within. So you're going to love that glow, and I personally am a big fan of this one. Now talking about the blush stick, i I don't know, like I'm not very happy with the blush stick because it is too costly. If it would have been somewhere around 500, I would have told you to take it, but we do have many options in blushes, so I think it's, you can give this product a pass. It, I feel that, so it's not a bad product, it's a good one, but then it is too expensive for my liking. Okay, now if talking about the eyeliner, so I'll not recommend you this one, because I feel the other eyeliner by Sugar, I Want You So, is much better than this one, so this you can give it a pass. Regarding the Metal Matte lipsticks, it's 100% yes. from my side. I feel I haven't used liquid lipstick of this quality. It is too good. It is better than the high ends also. Trust me, because I have used Huda Beauty, I have used Smashbox, and I really really love this one. This is worth your money. So guys, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see such kind of video, because I love creating such kind of content, and this makeup look is also very very perfect for everyday or anything else. Wherever you want to wear it, you can wear it. So yeah, that is about it. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care and love you guys a lot.